Hi, do you know the first person to make a car? To tell you the story of the person, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. A long time ago, before cars were around, people used horses, wagons, and walking to travel. Life was much slower, and going from one place to another took a lot of time. But one man had a big idea. His name was Juan Carl Benz. He lived in Kiel, Germany, and he loved building machines. He dreamed of something that could move people without using horses. In 1885, Carl Benz built something very special, the one first car in the world. It didn't look like today's cars. It had guides 3 wheels, a small gasoline engine, and could go only about 10 miles per hour. But it was amazing. It moved all by itself. At first, people didn't believe it would work. Some were even scared. But Carl believed in his invention. Then came a brave and smart woman, Bertha Benz, Carl's wife. In 1888, she secretly took the car and drove over 160 miles with it. She wanted to prove that the car really worked and could go long distances. Along the way, she stopped to fix problems and even bought fuel at a pharmacy. People were amazed. They started to believe in this new machine. Slowly, more people wanted to ride and own cars. Carl Benz's invention changed the world forever. He is now known as the father of the modern car. Because of Carl and Bertha, we can drive cars today, go to school faster, visit friends, and explore the world. And that's the story of the first man to invent the car. Subscribe to the channel.